Hey, gorgeous souls! I'm so excited for this one because today we're diving deep into the transformative world of manifestation journals. Have you ever felt like there's a whole universe of possibilities inside you just waiting to burst out? Well, manifestation journaling is like handing that universe a megaphone. It's a powerful tool that helps you get crystal clear on your desires, raise your vibration, and invite more abundance, joy, and love into your life. And the best part? It's as simple as putting pen to paper. In this video, I'm going to break down the exact steps you need to start your own manifestation journal, even if you're a complete beginner. Get ready to unlock your dream life, one intention at a time. Okay, beautiful souls, let's talk intentions. Setting intentions is like planting seeds in the fertile soil of your mind. When you set a clear intention, you are giving the universe a precise direction to follow. It's the first step in manifesting the life you truly desire. This is where the magic truly begins. When the sun rises, it brings with it new opportunities and fresh starts. Just like the dawn of a new day, setting intentions can illuminate your path and guide you towards your dreams. Setting a clear intention means getting laser-focused on what you want to call into your life. It's about clarity and precision. When you write down your intentions, you are making a commitment to yourself and the universe. This act of writing is powerful. It transforms your thoughts into tangible goals. It's about identifying your deepest desires, those things that make your heart sing and your soul soar. Think about what truly excites you, what brings you joy and fulfillment. These are the desires that align with your highest self and your true purpose. And it's not just about wishing or hoping. It's about declaring with every fiber of your being, "This is what I'm creating." When you speak your intentions out loud, you are sending a powerful message to the universe. You are stating your commitment and your readiness to receive. Think of it like plugging your desires into a cosmic GPS. Just as a GPS needs a clear destination to provide directions, the universe needs clear intentions to guide you towards your goals. Without clarity, you may find yourself wandering aimlessly. The clearer your intention, the more direct your path to manifestation. A clear intention acts like a beacon, lighting up the way and making your journey smoother and more efficient. It eliminates confusion and doubt, allowing you to move forward with confidence. So, what lights you up? What brings you immense joy? Reflect on the moments that make you feel alive and connected. These moments are clues to your true desires and passions. They are the keys to unlocking your potential and living a fulfilling life. Is it a thriving business? A loving relationship? Vibrant health? Get specific. The more detailed you are, the more powerful your intentions become. Instead of vague wishes, create vivid and specific goals that you can visualize and work towards. Instead of just more money, how about earning $10,000 a month doing what I love? Feel the difference. Specific intentions create a clear picture in your mind, making it easier for you to take actionable steps towards achieving them. The more specific you are, the more the universe can conspire to make it happen. When you are clear about what you want, the universe aligns circumstances, people, and opportunities to help you achieve your goals. It's a beautiful dance of co-creation. So grab your journal, and let's declare those intentions with unwavering certainty. Write them down, speak them out loud, and feel them in your heart. Trust that the universe is listening and ready to support you on your journey. Your intentions are the seeds of your future, so plant them with love and watch them grow. All right, love bugs. Let's talk about the magic of writing in the present tense. This technique is more than just a writing style. It's a powerful tool for manifesting your dreams and desires. When you write in the present tense, you are essentially telling the universe that you already have what you want. This creates a powerful vibration that aligns with your desires and brings them into your reality. This is where we start to embody our desires and align our energy with the vibration of already having what we want. Imagine the feeling of already living your dream life. How does it feel? What emotions come up? When you write in the present tense, you tap into these emotions and make them a part of your daily experience. Think of it like this. The universe doesn't understand I will or I want. It only understands the energy of the present moment. When you say I will, you're projecting your desires into the future, creating a sense of separation between you and your goals. But when you say I am, you bring those desires into the now, making them a part of your current reality. It responds to the energy of I am. This simple shift in language can have a profound impact on your life. By writing in the present tense, you are affirming that you are already the person you want to be, living the life you want to live. So instead of writing, "I will be a successful entrepreneur," try this. "I am a successful entrepreneur, living my dream life and making a real difference in the world." Feel the difference? The first statement feels like a distant goal, while the second one feels like a current reality. Feel the shift? This is the power of writing in the present tense. It brings your dreams into the now and makes them feel real and attainable. When you write in this way, you are not just dreaming about the future, you are stepping into it right now. When you write in the present tense, you're not just dreaming about the future, you're stepping into it right now. You're telling the universe, "This is me, this is who I am." And the universe responds to this powerful declaration by aligning itself with your energy and bringing your desires into your reality. You're telling the universe, "This is me, this is who I am." And trust me, the universe is listening. It hears your declaration and starts to move things around to match your vibration. This is the magic of writing in the present tense. And trust me, the universe is listening. It's taking note of your energy and aligning itself to match your vibration. This is why it's so important to be mindful of the words you use and the energy you put out into the world. It's taking note of your energy and aligning itself to match your vibration. So, embrace the power of now and watch your manifestations unfold with grace and ease. Remember, you are the creator of your reality, and by writing in the present tense, you are taking an active role in shaping your future. So embrace the power of now and watch your manifestations unfold with grace and ease. Trust in the process and know that the universe is always working in your favor. Happy writing, love bugs. Chapter 3. Amplify your power with positive affirmations. All right, amazing souls, let's talk about the power of positive affirmations. These simple yet profound statements can truly transform your life. These are short, powerful statements that help to reprogram your subconscious mind and align your energy with your desires. By consistently repeating these affirmations, you can shift your mindset and create a more positive outlook on life. Think of them as love notes to yourself, reminding you of your strength, your worthiness, and your infinite potential. Each affirmation is a gentle nudge, encouraging you to believe in yourself and your abilities. When you repeat affirmations consistently, you start to believe them on a deeper level, and that's when the magic really starts to happen. Your subconscious mind begins to accept these positive statements as truth, and you start to see changes in your thoughts, behaviors, and overall energy. Choose affirmations that resonate with your soul and ignite a fire within you. These should be statements that make you feel empowered and excited about your potential. The more these affirmations resonate with you, the more effective they will be. Instead of "I hope to be confident," try this: "I am confident, radiant, and unstoppable." Notice the difference in energy between hoping for something and declaring it as your truth. This shift in language can have a profound impact on your mindset and self-belief. Write them in your journal every day, repeat them out loud, and feel the energy of these words transforming your reality. The act of writing and speaking your affirmations reinforces their power and helps to embed them into your subconscious mind. Remember, you are worthy of receiving all the abundance the universe has to offer. Embrace these affirmations with an open heart and watch as your life begins to shift in beautiful and unexpected ways. The power of positive affirmations lies in their ability to transform your inner world, which in turn transforms your outer world. Chapter 4. Consistency is key. Make it a daily ritual. Okay, my friends, let's talk about the importance of consistency. Manifesting your dreams isn't a one-time thing. It's about cultivating a daily practice that keeps you aligned with your desires. Think of your manifestation journal like a beautiful garden. You wouldn't just plant seeds once and expect a bountiful harvest, right? You'd water them, nurture them, and give them plenty of sunshine. Your journal is the same way. Make it a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Set aside a few minutes each day to connect with your intentions, write your affirmations, and express gratitude for all the good in your life. The more consistent you are, the more you'll strengthen your connection to the universe and amplify your manifesting power. Chapter 5. Unleash your creativity. Personalize your journal. All right, creative souls, let's talk about making your manifestation journal a true reflection of you. This is your sacred space to dream big, express yourself, and infuse your journey with joy and inspiration. Don't be afraid to get playful and personalize it. Add pops of color, inspiring quotes, or even little doodles that make you smile. You can use stickers, washi tape, or even create your own vision board collages. The more you enjoy the process, the more you'll stick with it. Remember, this is about creating a space that feels good, a space that inspires you to show up as your most aligned and authentic self. So let your creativity flow and make your journal a true masterpiece. Your manifestation journey starts now. There you have it, beautiful souls. The power to manifest your dream life is in your hands. Remember to set clear intentions, write in the present tense, embrace positive affirmations, make it a daily practice, and most importantly, have fun with it. I believe in you and the incredible things you're here to create. Now go out there and make some magic. And before you go, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Results-Driven Manifestation for more manifesting goodness, and share it with your friends. Let's create a ripple effect of positivity and abundance together.